Okay, today I'm gonna fry some chicken and have a little bit of chit chat about why I'm doing what I'm doing and all of that. Okay, here we have the chicken, well seasoned and put down. I'm gonna just show you what I'm do. I'm following Maurice time cooking mommy style. All right, I'm going to turn on the stove and get the oil. So once we do this, then we can just come and try to look a bit. Yeah, so okay, with her method, she didn't do deep frying, so I'm not going to use the deep fryer. I'm just going to use a regular frying pan. So let me just talk to you a little bit. The One Big Irie family theme, what you would have noticed is that we've been doing videos on Jamaicans versus the rest of the world, and that's just an inspiration to continue spreading positivity, because that's what One Big Irie family is about, spreading positivity through the Jamaican culture. And what we aim to do is to get people laughing and just being positive, because there's already so many negative things out there. So why spread negativity? Spread positivity. So we're promoting positivity, and what we're doing is that for persons who live overseas, them can reminisce and say, yo, this is my country, my Jamaica, my culture. And for persons who are living in Jamaica, still living in Jamaica, I'm doing content that goes way back. I would all like that. And so people can really reminisce on, because with every country the culture changes from time to time. We want to preserve our culture. People love our culture everywhere in the world. Just tell people that you're a Jamaican and you don't know, you get celebrity treatment anywhere you go on period. May I really do that? Anyways, so yeah, good vibes all around. Iriness, you understand me? So that's what we're doing with this, with those short videos as well. What we want you to do is just spread them, send them out to your friends, your co-workers. You understand? Even if they're not Jamaicans, remember there are so many persons in this world who are not Jamaicans but they love the Jamaican culture. Give me a minute, let me put the oil in the pot. I'm gonna have to put some of this oil because I think the oil is finished. We had poured all the oil in the deep fryer, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to get some of the oil out to use in the frying pan. Really don't need a lot, so I'm going to use that for now and see if it's not enough. I'll just take some more out. I put some garlic and pepper in the oil. I'm going burn, fire burn, worry don't worry, fire burn up the whole of your man shirt. When you see them a song then I'm mind now. Fire burn, you better learn, and everything out there you feel burn. Alright, I need to hurry up now because I haven't prepped the chicken yet. Wash off my garlic some. Would I may just take off this thing there or not? I have to wash it. I just need that. This little bit probably really quite ready for your hot up, so yeah. What I'm gonna do now is to put some flour in this Ziploc bag. What's the whole second? It's because the pepper and the corn, we take them out of the freezer. It's gonna be a bit noisy because I turned on the chicken off the ventilator. I'm putting in the chicken in the flour. I didn't season the flour because the chicken is well seasoned already. Watch out. Oh my god, look at me put something on the floor. You clean it up. All in the name of video. Shake and fry. Not shake and bake, no shake and fry. Alright, I'm soon turn it over this and you can see what is going on in the pot. start once in a while. Explain. Turn it back the fire. Well covered in flour. And the oil is hot enough but not too hot to burn them. What you can do is let me know what you'd like me to do. Tapping into my acting skills again. And it's been a while, you know, since my best friend told me to go ahead and do those videos because she said me actually funny. You think me funny? I think I'm funny. When I do video, then I dead laugh. This is going on and laugh. Laughing is good medicine. Love laugh. Because me I laugh and I'll probably neighbor them and say I'm mother man this. When you see me outside the video and I get it here. No business. We not here, we not here. Alright, let's see if we can see what one in the pot now. So that's a one so far. Just to make them go and catch color, isn't it? I'm taking out the first set. I'm going to clean the oil because all of that is going to cause the other set to burn. So I'm just going to drain this off. These them a command, so we'll just make them one stay and fry a little bit more. So this is one so far. Look bad so far. So while the chicken I fry, I could go and chat like a bit. How my eye them look so funny? I wonder if I the lighting, because not much lighting in here, so I'm not turn on the light. Can't bother. I have a bad habit if you don't turn on light, which that's a good habit actually. Don't turn on light. Not true. I guess because you know when you live in a Japan and the amount of bills them reach you, and you know say residence tax are come up and all of that, you say yo natural light have to do it. Yeah. Watch me I look on screen like say a live stream with the panel. So I stand and chat to myself, I swear say as somebody may talk to. So I only like the content so far. I love it. And what I'm gonna do is probably do some longer skits. I'm trying to collaborate with people, but you know say that's not really easy, especially the bigger people and them never remember say as somebody collaborate with them, make them boss. But my thing is just to promote positivity. But we're gonna see what about with the chicken. This is what the first set looks like. Almost burnt because I was running to get the napkin to line the pan. I wasn't ready to come busy at the video, but not bad still, not bad. The Jamaicans no mind. Let me just put a disclaimer that I am not a chef. 1, 2, I can cook. 3, I was distracted, so I missed out some of the steps like putting in the baking powder in the flour. Oh my god. Don't ever do videos while chatting while you're cooking. No, there's no such thing as multitasking. Something has to give. Anyways, you don't know me. I don't care. I post it to save it because I'm not that social media person who would believe that, oh, it must always be perfect things posted. So it's like whatever. Taste and see what go on there. Smell good. Tasty. Taste please. Taste please. Taste good man. I'm gonna chop on the rest of them. This is a finished product. The type of pot that you use really has an effect on how they come out, but yeah, not too bad. It tastes good though. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes good.